this horrible sound deep inside my skull. Day and night, it turned my life into a living hell, making me irritable, angry, and unbearable for my family.
And when the third doctor told me, "You'll have to learn to live with this, we can't fix it," I was so tense and worked up that I wanted to put a knife in my ear so that I'd never hear anything ever again. But with the grace of God, I stopped before it was too late and saved myself before completely traumatizing my family. I cleared my hearing, and you can too.
Watch my video until the end, and you'll understand how you can do it in the privacy of your own home without any special equipment or medical training.
Ironically, on the same day that the third doctor told me there was nothing I could do, I discovered scientific proof that you can clear your hearing again and protect yourself from hearing problems, memory loss, and migraines. I'll show you in just a second. This is not an exaggeration, just an extremely effective 10-second habit that will completely change your life, in the same way it changed mine, allowing me to regain my tranquility, perfect hearing, and mental clarity in less than a month. The simplicity of this solution will surprise you, maybe even enrage you. Pay close attention and watch this video until the end, because sooner or later it will be taken down and you won't be able to find this information anywhere else.
Just like you, I thought I was broken and that it was my fault for ending up in this painful situation, because that's what doctors and Big Pharma told me. Today, I know that's not true. It was all a devious lie to distract me.
A brain scan gave me the true answers regarding the root cause of hearing loss, tinnitus, and memory loss. Keep on watching this short video, and in 4 minutes I will show you the very same brain scan. At first, it might be scary to find out your hearing problems are just a big warning sign that your brain is in trouble. But I will also give you the only natural solution that's proven to give mental peace and complete clarity of all sounds around you. I found out the truth thanks to a chance encounter with an unlikely doctor. And if it weren't for that conversation, I probably would have put that knife in my ear by now.
Hi, my name is Alan Sanger, and this is my own embarrassing but completely sincere story.
In the next 3 minutes, I want to show you where the hellish sound of tinnitus, the one that blew through my ears for 2 whole years, really comes from, and how some people even lose their memory and hearing because of it. Then you'll understand that this problem has nothing to do with your ears, but with something much more dangerous that's happening inside your brain right now.